Wobo AI Cover Letter AI is one of the latest advancements in AI-driven tools for job seekers. And if you're looking for a smart, efficient way to craft cover letters, this software is something you definitely need to know about. In this video, I'll go over 7 crucial things you need to know about Wobo AI Cover Letter AI. And by the end, you'll have a clear picture of whether this is the best AI tool for you. Now, the first thing to know is that Wobo AI focuses on streamlining your cover letter creation process. It uses advanced AI to generate tailored professional cover letters that match the specific job description you're applying for. Whether you're a first-time job seeker or a seasoned professional looking for a new role, this software helps you stand out without having to spend hours perfecting each letter. The second thing that's impressive is its ease of use. Unlike many AI tools that have a steep learning curve, Wobo AI is designed with simplicity in mind. You don't need any special skills or technical expertise to use it. Just input the job details, and the AI quickly generates a personalized letter that fits the role. Next, let's talk about customization. Wobo AI doesn't just spit out generic content. It analyzes your input and the job description to create a letter that highlights your most relevant skills and experiences. You can tweak the content further to ensure it reflects your voice, but the AI already does a great job in making it feel personal and relevant. One feature that stands out is its integration with job platforms like LinkedIn and Indeed. This saves you time by automatically extracting the necessary information for your cover letter, meaning you don't have to re-enter everything manually. This makes applying to multiple jobs a much quicker and smoother process. Another key aspect is the tone adjustment. Wobo AI allows you to choose from a variety of tones depending on the type of job or company culture you're targeting. Whether you're applying to a creative startup or a formal corporate position, the AI can adjust the tone of your cover letter to suit the environment. Wobo AI Cover Letter AI also offers a free trial, which is a huge advantage for anyone looking to test out its capabilities before committing to a subscription. With the free trial, you can experience the full functionality without spending a dime, and if you like what you see, you can upgrade for more advanced features. Finally, it's worth noting that Wobo AI isn't just for job seekers. If you're a career coach or recruiter, you can use the software to help clients craft tailored cover letters in a fraction of the time it would take manually. This could be a game changer for anyone in the career development space. Now, before I wrap up, remember, you can try Wobo AI for free with the link in the description below. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and after giving Wobo AI Cover Letter AI a shot, I can confidently say it's one of the most efficient tools for cover letter creation I've come across. If you're serious about job applications, this tool can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your job search. For those of you looking for more AI solutions, I've also included a list of my top recommended tools for you to check out in the description. I've tried them all, and these are the best ones that can truly make a difference in your job search and career. Thanks for watching, and make sure to grab that free trial link for Wobo AI below.